Alright all, let's talk a little bit of privacy. So up here in the corner where the French is, you'll click on that. And this is where your class settings are. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here to students. And, oh, now I clicked on that. Crazy. Students, likes, and comments. I'm going to go ahead and disable this. The reason for this being, since I'm going to be utilizing this more as a way to give feedback to students, I don't really want them seeing all the feedback that I'm giving specific kids. So if you feel differently about that, feel free to talk about that in your teams. But students can see each other's work. I'm going to toggle that off as well. I'm going to say that this will sign out all student devices, and students will sign out now and sign back in so they do not lose work. So, but again, disabling that just because if that is turned on, then students will be able to see the comments that I'm giving to their peers, and so I'm not wanting that for this purpose. If I was utilizing this in the classroom, I'd probably leave that toggled on, as there will be different ways for me to give feedback to students. But this is going to be like one of our primary ways that we're providing feedback to students. New items require approval. I'd leave that on so you're not getting random things that students are posting. Enabling item editing, I'd leave that on too, just so students can have a chance to edit something if they need to fix after they posted. And I am going to toggle on enable sample students. This could allow me to be logged in or to practice submitting work if I wanted to. You could also create a folder for yourself if you wanted to do that as well. It's kind of up to you how you want to do that. I am going to enable family access, and that brings out a whole nother range of things. But if you click on the invite families, you'll have to go in and enter all the emails and numbers, and it'll tell you if they're connected or not. I'm not going to go through and do all that at the moment. In here. Manage families. So again, just a chance for you to see if they're connected or not. Pending family approvals. Yay, no one's pending approval from me. And family likes, comments, and sharing. I am going to enable this. So there is a way for parents to log in, and this allows them to like their students' posts or to be able to comment on their students' work, and that could be a fun piece if parents want to do it. So the class blog, you could do that. If you toggle that on, then it'll publish to the internet. I'm not really wanting to do that. You can create different folders here if you wanted to by subject, the first and second grade level. I'm not envisioning using this. So the managed skills, you can upgrade, I believe. Nothing that's letting me do that. Maybe because I might have clicked upgrade already. So there's a way you can upgrade for like 60 days, and you could do ratings. I think I clicked it just to mess with it, but don't feel pressure to do that. You don't have to put these on either. So that is privacy settings. Here's the Being Safe fam.